propeller, exactly behind the propeller, you got this thing over here. You got this thing over here. This thing is called the rudder. R-U-D-D-E-R. Rudder. Now, what is the purpose of the rudder?
To
To
give
change the
direction.
direction of the ship.
Direction.
Correct. The direction. Because if you only had the propeller, the ship would only be going in one direction or back in one direction. You wouldn't be able to turn the ship. To make it turn, to change the direction of the ship, then you would need to have a rudder. So you will see all ships have got a propeller and just behind it, it has got a rudder. Okay. Then you got the stern. I told you this part, back part is called the stern. Then you got the poop deck. Okay. Now
Okay.
you can see on this particular ship, there is this orange color thing.
Lifeboat.
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 Very good, very good. This is called a lifeboat. Every ship has got two lifeboats, one on one side, the other on the other side. Okay, and this lifeboat is kept on a stand. Okay, there is got. I'll show you this one. So you can see it has got a stand. This has a stand of it, and this stand is on this deck. It's on this deck. This whole thing is one deck over here. Okay, and because the boats are there on this deck is called the boat deck. This deck is called the
Boat deck.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
so boat deck. Why boat deck? Because the lifeboats are on this deck. That is called boat deck. Okay. Then you know this thing. Yesterday we talked about this.
Funnel.
This is called the
Funnel.
funnel, from where all the exhaust smoke keeps coming out from the engine. All right. Then you got. Then okay. So let's go to this part first before we come here. What is this?
Monkey Island.
Monkey Island.
Monkey Island.
Monkey Island. Okay. What is this place called? What is this place?
Bridge.
Navigation
Bridge.
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 Bridge. Correct. And what will be this? What will be this deck?
Maybe
That bridge deck called.
bridge bring. Bridge bring.
It's bridge deck.
Bridge deck. Correct. Bridge deck, because it is on the same level as the bridge. So this is
Yes.
bridge deck. Now remember one thing. Understand one. Let me tell you one thing. So the bridge is the highest floor. The highest floor on the ship is the bridge. Okay. The highest floor, the highest deck on the bridge, on the ship is the bridge. Now above the bridge, there is the Monkey Island. That is like the terrace. Okay, like a terrace on Monkey Island. Then you have the bridge. Now just below the bridge, in that floor, the captain and the chief engineer has got their rooms. On all ships it is like this. The bridge is there, and just below the bridge, the floor that is below the bridge is the place where captain and chief engineer got their rooms. Okay, so
Okay, sir.
you can see this is the bridge over here. So this floor next to it, below it, this floor is where the captain and the chief engineer are staying. So there is a small deck. There's a small deck over here, just like a balcony or something, small deck. So that is why this is called the captain's deck. This is called the
Captain's deck.
deck, because the captain stays in this room, in this level. So this small place out here, it's a very small deck there. That's called the captain's deck. Okay. And then you know this is called the bridge deck.
Bridge deck.
This is called the
Main mast.
Main mast you have here. Monkey Island.
Monkey Island.
Bridge.
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 What is this?
Bridge bring. Bri- bridge.
Navigation.
Bridge bring.
Bridge.
Bridge wing, one on one side, one on the other side. Okay. And then you have derricks. These are called derricks. I
Derricks.
told you yesterday.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is not a crane. This is not a crane. The difference between derrick and crane. Crane can move all around. Derrick can only one direction. Right? And okay, this you don't have to worry about now. Samson post. This is comes with the derrick only. Okay, you leave this aside. And then you have, what is this?
Sir. Hatches.
This is where we put the cargo. Okay, this is only the cover. Once you take out the cover, once you open this cover, then it is an empty space right from here to the bottom. Right from here to the bottom. The whole thing is empty. So we fill up the cargo in this. So this is called a hatch. And the inside part is called the hold. H-O-L-D, hold. Hatch is the top part, and the compartment down where you put the cargo, that is called the hold. H-O-L-D. Okay? Then you got the main deck. This is the main deck. And finally you got the
Gunway.
gangway. This is a
Gangway.
ladder. There is another word for gangway. Some of them call it accommodation ladder.
Accommodation.
Just write it down. I have not written it down. But if you ever hear the word accommodation ladder, that means gangway. Accommodation ladder. That means a ladder to go to the ship or to go to the accommodation. Okay. I hope everybody has understood this.
Yes, sir.
All of you.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
No, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so now I'll show you some pictures now, actual pictures of
Oh.
the different parts. So all of you can see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So boys, now listen, this is called the bow. This is the front part of the ship. The bow area. This whole area is called the bow,
Bow.
of the ship. Front part. Okay? And this line over here, see, you see this side, where this side, okay, let me put a color. So this side over here
Yes,
and
sir.
this side over here, so where they meet, this line is called the stem. S-T-E-M. Stem. What is a stem? The stem is only the line, the front. It is not a full area. It is just a line where they
Divide.
where they meet, where this side and this side meets. This is called the stem. Okay, this is actually, if you put the middle line over here, you will call the stem. Okay, and this whole area is called the bow. All right, next one. Now look here, boys. Most of the ships in the olden days, the shape was like this. This was not there. was like this. This was not there. Now, Rohit, will you please, Rohit, please mute yourself, please. I'm getting disturbed. Nowadays, all the ships, they've got this bow is now become like this. It's got a big bulging over here. Now this has got a special name. If the ship has got this type of a bow, then it has got a special name which is called bulbous bow. Bulbous bow. Okay? So this protruding thing you can see over here, this is called the bulbous bow. Now what is the purpose of this? They have found out that after they put this type of a bow, the ship speed increases little bit and fuel is the
Back side of
part of the ship. Back part of the ship. Now boys, one more thing I want to tell you, we don't say back. We don't say back in shipping, we don't say back, we say aft. A-F-T, aft.
Aft.
So aft part of the ship. Aft part of the ship means back part of the ship. Forward part of the ship means front part of the ship. We don't say front and back. We say forward and aft. Okay, so just start to learn these terms now, because you must start now thinking of terms in shipping terms. Okay, so we don't say front and back, we say forward and aft. So this is the aft part of the ship. This is called the stern. Now you can see over here the name of the ship is put here on the stern, and also the port which it is registered. The port which is registered. So if the ship was registered in Mumbai, then it would have been written Mumbai here below the name. Okay, so this is called the stern. Okay, stem. Okay, there is a stem. I have put it. I didn't know that. So there is a stem. Stem is this line over here. You can see. I showed you just now. This line where this part and this part meet. This is called the stem of the ship. Okay. One more thing I want to show you here, since the picture is there. You can see this mark.
Yes, sir.
Can you see
Yes,
this
sir.
mark?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This mark means the ship has got a bulbous bow. This mark means the ship has got a bulbous bow. You can't see it. It is below the water. Okay? That means that this ship over here after this, it is something like this. Okay? That is a marking. Alright. Keel. Keel is the bottom part of the ship. Bottom part. So you can see in this picture, the ship is come out of the water. It is put in a place for maintenance. This is called a dry dock. This place where the ship is put, it is called a dry dock. Ships are brought like this once in 2 years. Every 2 years, 2.5 years, the ship is put out of the water and put into a place called dry dock, so they can do maintenance of the keel. Otherwise you cannot do maintenance of the keel when the ship is in the water. So they bring the ship out of the water. That is a way of doing that. Later on, you will know that. You'll be studying that also. And then they bring the ship out. Then it is all dry, and then they do a lot of maintenance work on it. So this part, the bottom part, is called the keel. Okay. This is called the main deck. Main deck. You can see the main deck is the biggest deck, going right from the accommodation to the forecastle deck. Right from the accommodation to the forecastle deck. That means from the poop deck to the forecastle deck. So it's the longest deck on the ship, the whole area of the ship, middle part of the area. That is called the main deck. Okay. This one is the forecastle deck. Forecastle deck, in short form we say forecastle.
Forecastle.
Forecastle or forecastle. The real word is forecastle. So this deck actually is used only when the ship is coming into the port to work these ropes. You know, when the ship comes into the port, into the land, into the port, we tie the ship with ropes so that the ship stays in one place. So we tie it with ropes. So these are ropes. And all the machinery for the ropes, all the winches, the machinery for tightening the ropes, all this is in the forecastle deck. So this deck is used mainly only for anchoring the ship. When the ship, later on you'll be learning about anchoring. When we want the ship to be in one place in the water, not in the land, in the water, then we have to put the anchor down so that the ship remains in one place. So the anchor winches, the anchor motors and the rope motors are all on the forecastle deck and on the poop deck. Forecastle deck and on the poop deck. So this is mainly used only for bringing the ship and tying it up. You see this one also here. Okay, this has also got winches over here. This is the poop deck on the stern. This is the poop deck. This is a small ship actually, but the bigger ships have got a bigger poop deck. And here also you can see there are winches and ropes for tying the ship. We tie the ship in the front, forward part, and we tie the ship in the after part when we are tying the ship to the jetty. All right. So we got main deck, forecastle deck, poop deck. Yeah, there is poop deck. You can see it has got winches and ropes. This is for tying the ship. And one thing you can see over here, this is a flag star.
Flag star.
Flag star, where we put the country flag or a country flag. Whenever suppose the Indian ship is going anywhere, and then we will put our Indian sign over here. This is called the flag star. Otherwise, this poop deck and forecastle deck are mainly used for working the ship, bringing the ship to the jetty and tying it up. Okay. All right. So this is the boat deck I told you. You can see this is the lifeboat here. And this is the stand for the lifeboat. The actual word for it is called, those boys who are interested in it, the actual word for the stand is called David. D-A-V-I-D. David. So this David is this part over here. This part over here. This is called it's a stand to hold the boat in place. And this is called the David, lifeboat David. Lifeboat. And this deck on which the boat is, this deck is called the
Boat deck.
What is it called?
Boat deck.
Boat deck.
Boat deck.
And you can see below that, boys, there is one ladder here. This ladder is called the gangway.
Gangway.
This ladder, there's a ladder here you can see below it.
हाँ चाची चाची मैं उनका नंबर दे दूं मेरी क्लास चल रही है पापा